Today, inspections of submerged assets are highly inefficient and costly. Inspecting a submerged asset offshore involves a heavily polluting supply vessel with days of deployment, which can cost between 200 to 500,000 euros per inspection and tons of CO2 emissions. On land, for example, hydropower turbine blades inspection cannot be done in situ today with the current technology, so they need to be disassembled and maintained over a 2 months period, which costs a lot of money and leads to downtime for a hydropower dam operator. Not to mention, such inspection jobs can be unsafe. They can lead to injuries or sometimes fatalities. At Hydromea, we want to democratize access to submerged assets in an affordable, time-efficient, and sustainable way. We're building the world's first tetherless underwater drone platform for rapid autonomous data collection.
As we are building this unique platform, we've developed and patented a number of breakthrough innovations. Our disk drive thruster has the world's best thrust-to-weight ratio, enabling great dexterity underwater. Our luma optical modem is the world's smallest high-speed data link with up to 10 megabits per second, giving real-time control and live video feedback for tetherless operation of vehicles. Finally, we've pioneered a number of technologies enabling cooperative operation of multiple drones and smart interaction with infrastructure and sensors. Our drones have been deployed in 11 field campaigns in different Swiss lakes, including one deployment under ice in 2017.
We are targeting a 13 billion euro market of underwater asset integrity management. With our solution, you can assess the integrity of underwater assets remotely and at a lower cost. Our drones greatly outperform tethered vehicles as they cannot get tangled near complex infrastructure. That you can now detach drones from the operator opens completely new markets, particularly in the offshore space. As part of our channel strategy, we will partner with global service providers in each of our market verticals, selling inspection services to asset operators. We will commercialize data packages and data analytics.
Today, we have a team of 8 employees with in-depth experience in underwater robotics, computer science, and business management.
In 2019, we graduated from the Tech Acceleration Program of the Offshore Innovation Hub in Scotland, and in 2020, we were named one of the top 100 disruptors by the Marine Technology Reporter magazine.
Today, fundamental shifts are happening in the marine economy, which is projected to double over the next 10 years, which cannot happen without the adoption of subsea robotics.